Okay, so I got myself a big bike. It's Suzuki GSX750F Katana, otherwise known from 1991. This bike hasn't been ridden for 3 years, and let's refurbish. So that's gonna be my work with it. Can do, I could take the air filter in itself out, just take a screwdriver and put it out. So the arrow points it towards the top. I'm just gonna take my air filter out. You can see it's nasty. You can see it's rusty. So I really want a new one. That's a sealant. It's coming off. My airbox arrived. Let's get into the box. Let's compare old one with the brand new. As this filter is meant to be a replica, the only difference what I could see is in the markings. So there is a marking there of a number, there is a number missing. The arrow is really nice and thick in here, where this one is thin. There's these two dimples missing, and these type of inserts which is just in the plastic molding difference, I guess. And I have the numbering on the side. Then let's have a look in the filters themselves. As you can see, they have a different metal meshing. This one is nice thin grid. That one is just the big holes. Let's have a look underneath. Size wise, does look exactly the same. Slightly different metal. This one is painted tin. However, really can't argue with the nice clean filter. Just looking at all of that filth and looking at all of that brand new nice stuff. So now to install the new filter, we can see the arrow forward which is pointing to the top. At the same time, these top bits are a little bit more narrow and these ones are wider, which is, you can see there with the screws, just like what the original was like. So it does make it less confusing. At the same time, if you remember, I did had something stuck around here, which was like a little foam protecting piece. That's a sealant. So if we have a look at the original filter bomb, you can see that there is a nice wide opening. In the new filter, however, we have exactly the same foam piece, which is brilliant. Alright, let's put that filter in. A good tip is to write it down the mileage when the filters are replaced. This way, next time when someone's have a look at the filter, you know when it was replaced, and hopefully we'll never get to the stage like this.